Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda Renee, and in this video I will be trying a wash and go combo that I saw another fellow natural hair creator try on their hair. So if you're interested in seeing that combo and seeing the results on my hair, definitely keep on watching. So hi, I am Amanda Renee, and here on this channel I do all things natural hair, from natural hair product reviews to tutorials, and I am trying to get into more natural hair reaction videos. So if you're interested in seeing natural hair content, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. Now, I will preface the video by saying that I have tried both of these products separately and have not liked my results whatsoever. So I am really nervous to see how both of them will work together on my natural hair. The creator that I saw had lovely results, so I want to see if I can get those results on my hair. So today's two products will be the Mielle pomegranate and honey coil sculpting custard. I only would have done one video with this, hated it, and said I would not do it again. But here we are. And lo and behold, the Camille Rose Curl Maker. As you can tell, I just have a little bit, so I just want to finish the container. And that's what we'll be doing today. As I said, I'm very nervous about this combo because of the experiences I've had. But we will go from there. I have freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. I did a slight protein treatment, so my hair is nice and soft at the present moment. I will not be using a leave-in because the creator that I saw used this as her leave-in conditioner. So I'm trying to see what the results will look like. As I said, I am nervous, but such is life. I will link her video down below so that you could check it out afterwards. But I will just get into it now. Alrighty. So I want to keep my hair wet because I found that the very last time I used the curl maker, my results were not terrible because I was in the shower with a direct source of water, so my hair remained wet. So my hair is wet enough because I would have washed my hair not too long ago. So the first thing is this coil sculpting custard. I'm really just trying to finish the container at this point because I just don't like the product. If I like the product this time around, this is how much I'm taking. I don't want to do a lot, to be honest, but I feel like I'm going to do a lot. Oh boy, sorry. Anyway, okay. I mean, it's defining the hair. It wasn't defining the hair too much the last time I used it, so that is a good sign, I hope. It's clumping my hair from what I'm seeing. Now we're going to go in with the curl maker. I absolutely don't like the curl maker, but I will try this much. But I think I will wet my hair again just to be on the safe side. And just apply the curl maker. And I don't really do wash and goes like that anymore because I find them to be drying, and at the same time I really don't like the tangles and the single strand knots that I get. So I tend to stay away from wash and goes nowadays. But these are what the results are looking like so far. I'm not too convinced, but I'll keep going. So I will do a montage, then I'll be back before I diffuse my hair. Alrighty, so here are the results, the wet results, obviously. I think I'm impressed with the curl clumpage, and I am really eager to see how it will dry. I hope I don't get any flakes, but I'm really eager to see how this will dry. Alrighty, y'all. So after diffusing, I am back. And you know that saying, don't knock it until you try it? I think that this applies to this combo. I love how my hair feels at the present moment. I did not like how my hair felt with the Mielle separately, and I did not like how my hair felt with the Camille Rose, but I do believe that together they actually work well to my liking. I will definitely leave my final thoughts as the days go by in the pinned comment, so definitely look out for that. But as it currently stands, I would have to give my hair an 8 out of 10 because this definition is chef's kiss. I did not expect that from two custards, because you had the coil sculpting custard from Mielle, and then you had the curl maker, which is basically a custard from Camille Rose. I think that this might be a hit. So as it currently stands with how my hair feels, my hair does feel soft. It does not feel too firm, but it does have a cast. So I really do appreciate that at the present moment for this combo. And I do like the fact that my hair feels soft. The combo does not feel drying at all at the present moment, so I am happy about that. Editing Amanda here, so I am here to give my final thoughts on the product combo. And unfortunately, my thoughts still stand. I do not like either product for myself personally. I enjoyed my freshly done results, as you would have seen in the video. However, I'm not sure with the humidity or what else happened, but the next day my hair felt gummy, and it also felt as though there was a lot of product on my strands, so that took some time to get used to. I was fearful of the product transferring to different surfaces, and I personally don't like that for my hair. Whenever I use a product, I really did find though that there were times when my hair didn't feel like it had product on it, and there were other times where the product was just overbearing on my hair. So with that being said, I then had to go refresh my hair 2 days later, and instead of redoing a wash and go, I just put it in a slick back low bun. So as I'm currently recording this bit, that's what my hair is in at the moment, and so far my hair feels pretty good in the slick low bun state. So the product, in my opinion, works well for that. If you ever thought about giving either the Mielle or the curl maker a try for a slick back, maybe it will work, because I found that it did for me. I just had to add some water, use my brush to just brush it back. But so far, I really do like my hair in the slick back that I have. Whereas for the wash and go, I would have to give the combo a 5 out of 10. The 5 is because of the definition. You all saw the definition in the video. It was lovely. And that is all I have to say on the product combo. I would not try this again on my hair. Maybe if I lived in a different climate, it would have worked a lot better for me. But as it currently stands, I don't like either product on my hair, especially worse as they're used as a combo. Absolutely not for my hair. But to each their own. I tried it and I can safely say that my thoughts still stand. I don't like the products. So do with that information what you will. If you still want to give the products a try, be my guest. But let this also serve as a reminder that the products may not work for you, especially based on your climate and how much you use in your hair. So those are my final thoughts, and cue the rest of the video now. And these are my final thoughts and the results. I'm really happy that I was brave enough to try the combo that Kimberly also tried. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, like this video if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more natural hair content, share this video with someone who is interested in trying these 2 products but has no idea how it will work on their natural hair. Definitely send this video to them, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.